Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from HowLogical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to report your problems to Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to report your problem, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application at first, and after opening the Authenticator application, you will get to see this homepage. You just simply have to tap into these three dots into the top right, and from there, you will get to see this send feedback option. Tap into that option, and after that you will directly get the option of having a trouble reported. In order to report your problem, just simply tap into this first option, and then you just simply have to select any option from here which is related to your problem. Just simply select the option and then explain or describe your issue into this box. Then after that, you just simply have to tap into this send button into top right corner, and after sending there, you can easily report your issue to Authenticator this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.